Exceptional great location. Location, location, location a fantastic stay. Wonderful helpful staff. 5 minutes from Southern Cross Station. Would highly recommend and will be back. Excellent place. It's such a good hotel in a very well location. Comfortable, clean, well maintained and easy access. Excellent staff, clean and very comfortable. Nice location and clean. Cade is very helpful. So near Southern Cross Station. And it's clean. Comfortable and amazing staff, clean bathrooms, comfortable beds, room serviced or you can just ask for supply. Staff are amazing, genuinely kind and helpful. Melbourne business trip. Stayed for 4 nights. The Ibis Kingsgate was conveniently located near the Southern Cross train station, easy to get to once getting off the Sky bus, about a 5 minutes walk. There is trams close by on Burke Street which can take you into the city centre. I would stay here again. My only complaint would be that the fridge in the room didn't work very well. I had a yogurt in it and when I went to eat it the next day it was room temperature. Room 522 from memory. My friend who had a room next door said their fridge worked fine though. Perfect location. Room is clean, good location. Location perfect location. Great location. Great value for money, friendly staff. Husband and I have stayed here for 4 nights and we are both happy with the place. It is 2 minutes walk from the nearest tram station, free tram around the city. There are restaurants and 7 to 11 all around the hotel. It is also at the center of the CBD so it's very close to every location. We were allowed to check in early during our first day and likewise allowed to check out late during our last day. Luckily, there are available rooms at that time. They clean the rooms every day unless you hang the Do Not Disturb sign. The breakfast is good, which you can upgrade if you want a full breakfast. Overall very happy with this place. We'll book again once we go back to Melbourne. Nice place, good location and clean. Satisfied, very satisfied. Location is perfect. The hotel is close to Southern Cross Station, very convenient for travelers who take Skybus from airport to city. Nearby the hotel has convenience stores and chemist warehouse.